Assalamu alaikum viewers and good evening. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am fine and I hope my viewers are also fine, doing well and good condition in health. I am also perfect and thanks to my Allah for everything. I also pray for you to Allah Almighty so Allah give you more healthy, wealthy life, successful life and happy life. And please viewers also pray for me. I hope you are taking my latest video. So guys, it is over. Today I bring some special beautiful crochet cat bed ideas, beautiful cat cave, cat house ideas. So please you must watch my video till the end. All the patterns are very beautiful. Different designing, fabulous and most demanding crochet collection. Beautiful ideas for cat lovers. Very nice, most demanding crochet collection. Fabulous ideas. Some are light color, dark color, color contrast, plain color ideas, multicolors, rainbow colors, beautiful designing, beautiful ideas. Most demanding crochet collection. Very nice. And you can see almost 40 plus images in this video of crochet cat bed. You can see many more ideas about crochet in my channel, like crochet dresses, crochet amigurumi pattern, fingerless gloves, handbags, cat bed, dog sweater, handbag, beautiful bracelet, coffee cozy. Very nice. Beautiful ideas and different designing. Hopefully like this. Okay viewers, now I have to go. See you again with next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Take care viewers. Bye bye and please pray for me. Allah Hafiz. Have a nice day. Goodbye viewers.